Let us understand the difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler converts your code in machine understandable language in one go, whereas interpreter does the same thing but line by line. In case of compiler, it is much faster because everything is done in one go. It will check for all the errors, syntax in one go, so it is faster. Whereas in case of interpreter, it is slower because it is going line by line. So if there is any error encountered, so in that case your program will get stopped then and there and it will not move to the next line. Okay, in case of compiler, the code would be platform independent. What does it mean? It means when your code passes through the compilation phase, the generated bytecode in case of Java would be platform independent. That is, you can run that compiled code in any platform. For example, if you have compiled your code in Windows, you can run either in Macintosh or Linux. In case of interpreter, let's say take the example of shell scripting. So it would be OS dependent. So the code cannot run in Windows or Macintosh, right? So let us understand this diagrammatically. First, we'll see compiler. So let's take one block. I've written some code system.out.print and here I'm printing hello Java. So now what I'm doing is I'm passing it to the compilation phase. Now in case of Java, we have Java C as a compiler. Now once it passes to the compilation phase, your .asm will be generated, which is the executable instructions to the CPU, right? Now let us understand the interpreter. So here I have written echo hello. So now it's going to the interpretation phase. Now again .asm executable instructions will be generated. But in case of interpreter, it will go line by line. So let's say I'm having 3 line of code. So this would be the generated interpreted code. Now this will pass to the CPU. Now in case of compiler, it's going one in one go. It's faster and OS dependent. In case of interpreter, it is going line by line. It is slower and OS dependent, right? Because if you see here, it's going line by line. Thank you.